And over time, the fixings is really important on how we install things. If you've got a plasterboard wall on a timber frame or a steel frame, we find where every stud is. Every panel is cut to shape so that it starts and finishes on your studs. There's no unsupported pieces of smart wall. That's why we install it at your home. We're not making it in a factory and coming and just hanging it on your wall. So every panel is cut accordingly to the stud positions of your home, which we find those studs and we secure it to. We don't use clips, we don't use things that can come off. Every panel is secured in multiple places to the frame of your home, and it therefore is very strong. If it's a brick wall, we put down timber battens over the brick wall, which are all covered up by the smart wall and capping on the end of the smart wall sections. That provides the best finish. The battens are dyno bolted to the wall, very strong, and then the panels are screwed to the battens themselves. The concrete in a similar way, and then there's all sorts of things now with the foam-based walls and your various compounded dirt frames and these sorts of things. By virtue of being in business and doing this for 20 years, we have a wide variety of fixings, and typically no matter what is how your wall is composed, we'll be able to have a solution with regard to that on how it's secured. The key to the installation or the smart wall, the effectiveness of smart wall as a storage solution, is how that smart wall is secured to the wall. It must be done in a very secure manner, and once that's done, there are very little, we never encounter any problems. And that is once again why we have our own employees doing this, is we can control that process to ensure that the smart wall panels, and therefore the things that you connect to the smart wall panels, are done in the right way.